Hey YouTube, Crazy Youngzy here, and today I'm gonna be doing something crazy. I know you saw the thumbnail, that was why you came here. So literally, I'm gonna be on cuffs, and okay, we only have one key. Yeah.
I have to find the key in the water, which is obviously dangerous.
But something, guys, I came with my lifeguard. Okay, that's Melody. He can swim, but I literally cannot swim. Okay, so we are about to attempt it. But before then, I just want to do something crazy with the boys. Yeah, I came with the boys. Obviously, you can see them. Yeah. So okay, let's do something first, guys. Okay, I will literally give anyone 10,000. If the person can stay underwater, the last person to come up gets 10,000. Are you guys down? Down. Okay. Should we use 10 feet, 6 feet, or 4 feet? 10 feet. Are you joking, bro? I'm not joking. Okay, to the last person to come up, okay, gets 10,000. 3, 2, 1, go! The last person gets 10,000. The last person. The last person. Okay, now. Oh, we have a winner. Wait, don't tell me. The last person. Fuck it! The last person. Yeah.
Who guys come on?
Okay.
Why go there? Why not the one who give Melody now?
You guys think it's not fair, right? Yeah, okay, because you did.
Oh, you can swim now.
Okay, so okay, you get I'll make it 20,000 if you can go inside. Then stay for up to 1 minute 30 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah. But here's the catch: if you don't do it, you have 10,000 years. No, you have 0.
I have 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 minute 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay, let's get it. Yeah. Are you ready? Only who has the timer?
Only you.
Timer, yes, only me. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm set.
Okay, you count. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, I'm literally sure he can't do it.
11, 12,
He's about to lose his 10,000 for 20.
17.
Okay,
18,
that's one.
19,
That's 20.
21,
Okay.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
What?
31, 32, 33, 34,
What the fuck?
36.
Whoa!
Wow, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You have your 20,000 and congratulations. Okay. For the next challenge, okay, I'll literally give anyone 10K right now. If you can tell me when the first video on YouTube was uploaded. Okay, anybody that's close to the answer will get the money.
What's the question again?
The first YouTube video, when was it uploaded? Each year. Just give me a year. If you're the closest to the answer, you get the 10,000. Okay? So, we go first. Your year. Which year?
2005.
2005. Okay. First YouTube video.
1992.
What?
Oh.
1992. Okay.
Fuck.
I think that should be 2016.
2016. Oh my God. 2016. 2016. Bro, are you kidding me? 2016. Okay. Let's go and check. Because I don't even know. So guys, I literally went and checked and I saw it's 2005. Now I think he literally cheated. So congratulations. It's fine. You got okay, that's 10,000, right? Okay, that's fine. Congratulations. Anytime you see him, just know he literally cheats, okay? Because I know you cheated. But that's okay, it's part of the rules. Okay, now, okay, that's it, yo. Who wants to win more money?
Right here.
The first person to get this, even if you're close, you get it. Yeah? 2 times, 5 times, 12 times. First person to give me the answer.
Again, please.
I said 2 times, 5 times, 5 times, 3 times, 0. They literally got the answer. He said 0.
Yeah.
Wow, so congratulations. You are 30,000. Wow, bro. Are you being serious?
I'm gradually becoming a billionaire, nigga. Yeah.
Whoa, wow.
It's broke now.
Nigga, I'm
Are you
not.
2
being serious?
times 2 times 2
Times
times 5
2 times 5
times
times 5
5
times
times
5
5.
times 0.
Okay, times 0.
Fuck you.
Okay, go to the
Okay, this is the face of shame. That is his face of shame.
Yes.
He failed maths in his school. Guys, I'm about to give them a very hard challenge. Now, can you see the other two people here? You see them there? They literally don't know how to swim. So I'm gonna give them the hardest challenge. 20,000 for anyone who can go to the end 2 times. The loser is the loser. And I have another one for you guys. So just get ready. And yeah, about the video, I'm gonna do it very soon. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, yeah? Make sure you subscribe and don't end that shit, bro. Now, you guys have to go there. So the last person that comes here is the loser. Okay, I'm giving you guys 10,000. Yeah? Okay, are you guys ready? I mean, if you want to go outside and dive, wait, what? Fuck! I told you guys, it's a shame. So no one actually did it. What? That's a shame. Okay, one more chance. One more chance. Three, two, one, go. Go back, go back. Go back. If you don't go. Okay. Yeah, no. Wait, what? Okay, it's a tie, so no one wins. What? No. It's a tie. So guys, I'm about to do something crazy with the boys here. Now, if you notice, there's my lifeguard. He can actually swim very much, but the other two are. I don't have words to explain. Yeah, you have to go back, please. Okay, so guys, the thing I'm about to do is I'm literally gonna say the last person is gonna win the cash, but I'm sure they wouldn't know what I said. And yeah, actually, I bought this shit, and it was supposed to be waterproof, but I think it's broken. So I think it's broken. So guys, let's go do it. The last person together, I'm giving him 10,000. All you guys do is go 10,000. Last person together. 3, 2, 1, go!
Like, I don't understand. The last one.
Go! Go!
The last one to get this.
Go! Oh my god.
The last one, yeah.
I don't know.
The last one, yeah, movie.
I don't know. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, the last person to enter the one that will give you 10,000. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow.
We don't need man.
Okay. The first person to jump. The first person to jump is the winner. 3, 2, 1.
I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
So guys, we literally saw the replay and we're sure you saw it too. And he was the winner. So literally you have 20, 30, 0. And congratulations for the shame. We just ashamed all the viewers right now. What do you want to say to them?
Next time.
Next. Next time. Okay, guys.
The winner!
I think. So, guys, we're about to do the main thing. So, guys, who's trying to coffee? Who wants to coffee?
I'm here.
You want the honor?
Yeah, we just give you the honor.
Get the cups, then you coffee. Anybody that gets the cup can coffee.
No?
He said no. Look at the cup.
Look at the
It's
cup.
literally there. Do you want to coffee? Anyone that can get the cup is literally there. Okay, you can see the cup. Wow. Yay, he finally got the cup. Okay, that's it. So I see he literally wants to kill me, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, I just thought about something. It's better to pay your debts before you die. So instead of just doing it and something goes wrong right now, I just decided, okay, let me go pay my debts. How much am I holding you? 30. 30.
Yeah, no, it's 20K.
Who cares?
This is so.
You literally
problem.
Yeah, it's 30,
Okay,
20.
so
and
I'm literally trying to pay my debts before I die. Guys, you literally have to subscribe because if I die right now, bro, like I don't know what's gonna happen. Wow. Guys, what if I die? What the fuck?
Who cares?
I literally said who cares? If I die, no one is gonna give me free money, bro. So you have to start caring right now. You can't.
Listen.
And I'm trying to pay my debt. So here you go. I hold you 30. 20. There you go. So guys, this is the way I have to put it. Then he has to throw the keys into the pool and I have to find it. And then I have my lifeguard. In case if we don't see it, guys, our lifeguard will, if I die, that's if I die. Because if I don't die, I don't take videos yet. So when I die, yeah, I have to. Guys, you really have to subscribe because I don't know. Let's do this. Okay, so show them the keys, please. Show them the key. That is the key to this cup, and that's the only key we have, guys. I literally messed the other one up. So throw the key into the pool. Come, please. Take a perfect shot on when you throw the keys into the pool. So just throw it anyway. Okay, I have to close my eyes, right? Yeah. Are you done? What the fuck? Wow. Okay, guys. So it's literally forfeit, so it's not safe because I don't like water. I mean, this is the best time to get a thumbnail in case if I don't die. I don't know, this is the best time to get a thumbnail. Guys, in case if I die, because I literally don't know where the key is right now. So yeah. And the rules is, once I go down, I have to get it before I come up. And obviously, get this shit off my hand. Should I do it, guys? Should I really do it?
Yes, we can.
I mean, we can just, I can come out and we just take a video. But there's something we don't do. We don't take videos. So, we really have to do this. Okay, count from 10, please. 10 downwards.
All right.
Give me a
Okay, count.
Okay, count. No, I mean, give me a countdown, bro.
Okay. 10, 9, 8,
Subscribe.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I think I have to go down again. Okay. I mean, you guys can give me words of encouragement. I can't hear you. I mean, that would help.
Yeah, you can do it. Just believe. Just
You
believe.
can do it.
Yeah.
Woo. Okay, let's go. It's nothing. 3. Wait, I mean, actually, time.
Can I give you a calm down?
Nah, I'm good. I don't want to bore the viewers. So let's go. 3, 2, 1.
You can do it. You can do it.
No,
You can do it. Let's go. It's not gonna
Yes.
pass you.
I don't know, bro. I literally don't know. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, man. You're doing great. You're doing great. Yeah.
What the fuck?
You're doing great. You can do it, bro.
Now come up and take a deep breath again for going back inside. He's doing it. He's trying. Yes, I think he's gonna make it.
You guys crazy, man.
Guys, I literally lost the key again. And I literally don't have license for this. So I have to get a key so I get it off. If not, I'm fucked. So, guys, I'm new.
Basically, you can do this because it's kind of ridiculous. We're not gonna see anybody around you.
3, 2, 1.
Hello.
Fuck you, man.
Guys, if you actually had Jesus, I was actually dying because I said this video is gonna blow up. So I literally should come and see how it blows up. That's how I came back, guys. I mean, bro, I hate water. Bro, you were literally useless. You was my lifeguard and you didn't do anything. I thought you would.
No, I tried.
I was literally dying, bro.
No, I don't think so. I believe you could make it. So that was
That's
I have
great.
to just stay back.
Well, that's it for today, guys. So, guys, that's it for today. If you're literally like more of this kind of content, which I know today was boring, just hit that subscribe button. Guys, I literally want to give him an opportunity to win something. So, you have to stay underwater. The first game, same first game. The last person to come out wins, okay? Alright. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! He literally has no idea.
How possible? How?
I win! Guys, after the replay, I mean, I was trying to cheat, bro, but I guess that was not part of the rules. So he literally won, bro! Yeah! I'm so cold right now.